Hi, I'm Mike Jenner with Dragonfly Landscape Design. Starting up your irrigation system should occur beginning to mid-April, depending on the weather. With me is Brian Blackford from Colorado Pump Supply.
It's springtime. We're here to start up our sprinkler system. Get that grass green now. First thing we want to do is close that valve in the valve box. Once again, it's the brass one, cross-handled. This time we're going to turn it all the way to the right. Perfect. Leave the lid off, because before we're done we want to inspect the valve box. Next step, backflow preventer. Alright, now we're at the backflow. This is a typical backflow preventer. Yours may look a little different, but they all kind of do the same job. First thing we want to do is take the cap, put it on the bottom of this elbow, hand tight. Next step, take these blue handles on these valves, turn them across, make sure they're shut, and then on the little petcocks here, we want to do the same thing. They're a screw, be a flathead screw look, just have them go across the valve. That means they're all shut. Now we're off to the basement. Now that we've turned the backflow to the off position, we are now ready to turn on our main valve to the sprinkler system. The bag from last year with the cap in it, we take it out, put the drain cap on the valve, hand tighten, and we're ready to go. Slowly take the valve to turn it to the on position. Remember, straight up is on, cross is off. You'll hear water rushing. Now we're ready to go outside. Now that we got the water turned on downstairs, it's time to pressure up your backflow. I said inside, always turn these valves on really slow, but this will be the one time you want to turn it on really fast. When you turn this one on real fast, water stops here, pressurizes the unit. Take the first valve coming out of the house, turn it on real fast, no water's coming out, I think we're good to go. Take this one, open it really slow, and now what we're doing is we are pressuring up the valve boxes. No water's dripping, onto the valve boxes. Come back to the valve box, no leaks. Put the lid back on. Sometimes you have to stomp on it, and your system is on. Now that the clock's on, backflow's working, no leaks outside. Last thing we want to check is on the inside. Make sure this cap is not leaking. There's no visual leaks anywhere else. And after all that, that is how you activate a sprinkler system. Okay, water's on, backflow's charged. Last thing we want to do is turn the controller to the run position. Open the door, run. It'll show the time, the date, as long as it was plugged in. Should be correct. Close your door, and you're ready to go. Just remember though, if you do run into any issues, don't hesitate to call the professionals at Dragonfly Landscape Design.